Keep them moving, easy does it.
All right, next group up.
We need to clear these hides before the next truck arrives.
The pallet jack is almost full. I'll take this one now.
Keep coming straight.
Okay, hold it right there.
Easy, easy. Go to the right pen.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.
There you go. Isn't that nice? You're a good cow.
Keep them moving steady now.
Gate 3 is clear, sending the next group in. Gently now, keep the line moving. We're almost at the inspection area.
Scan tag number 42. Check the skin integrity here.
Reading confirmed. Skin looks good.
Keep the line moving smoothly. Watch the railing on the right.
Send the hide to station 3. Watch the line, it's jamming up on the right.
Check the finish right there.
It's perfect. The color saturation is excellent.
Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Okay, put the next one right here. Carefully, make sure it's secure.
Got it. This strap should hold it tight.
Bring the finished satchels over here for inspection.
On my way, just securing the last rivet now.
This one looks perfect right here.
Yes, the black really pops against the marble.
If you like our work, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.
This leather needs to be cut exactly to the template.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.